Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this makeup look. I really like this look. I created it on another girl in school, so I decided to recreate it on myself to show you guys today. I think it's a nice makeup look for any prom or formal event or anytime you feel like getting glamorous, where this look may look nice on you. What I really like about this look is we are using only one makeup palette, and that is the Morphe 35V palette. I really like this palette. My cousin Tara got it for me for Christmas, but it is an awesome palette with many awesome shades. You have your nice neutrals and transition shades, and then you have your purples and your blues, and you got a little bit of reds going on in there, so I really like it. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop on into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so to start, I'm just going to put my hair up out of my face so we can see what we're working with. And my apologies, I don't look the best. Also, I have like a sunburn just going away like on my nose and my forehead. So yeah. So I always like to start with the eyes and then do the face later, especially if I'm doing a more dramatic glammed look. It just helps because fallout and cleanup is a lot easier. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and also do my brows off camera. So I filled in my eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown, and then I just concealed them and prepped my eyelids with concealer and powder. Yeah. Another reason I like to start with my eyes and my eyebrows is to clean up my eyebrows. Makes it a lot easier. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with this sort of fluffy round brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Scandal and Vixen and use that as a transition shade in my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and pick up Turned On, which is kind of like a reddish brown, and do the same thing. Okay, so now we're gonna start putting in the burgundies and the reds. So I'm gonna pick up the shade Wild Thing, which is a nice purpley maroon color. And I'm using this kind of small crease brush. Same concept, right in the crease. And then I'm gonna pick up Tryst, which is a little bit darker of a maroon shade. I'm going to take that first brush that we used to blend it. To warm things up a bit, I'm going to take Heat on that same brush and kind of place it right above that purple. I'm gonna go in with this super fluffy crease brush and blend some more. So now I'm going to pick up this flat shader brush. I'm gonna pick up the color Tell Me More, which is a nice purpley maroon shimmer shade. I'm gonna apply this on my lid almost all the way to the inner corner, but I'm gonna leave the first probably third of my inner corner lid free of this color. I'm using patting motions to apply this. This will help pack the color on and help avoid fallout. So now with another flat shader brush, I'm going to pick up the color Lust, which is again a shimmer shade. And we're gonna put this on the inner corner lid. Now I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Three Little Words to just pop over the transition between those two colors. Next, on this little compact dome brush, I'm gonna pick up the color Seduced, which is a nice plum purpley color, and we're gonna put this on the outer corner and then blend it with the fluffy crease brush. I'm gonna pick up the shade First Date and apply this to my brow bone. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade Knockout. Okay, so we're going to leave the eyes like they are for now, and then we're going to come back to them after we finish our face. I'm going to prime my face using my Paul Mitchell Ultimate Face Primer. You can use whatever primer you have, but I'm just going to use this. Now I'm gonna go in and use my foundation. I'm using the CYO Long Lasting Liquid Foundation. This is a really nice drugstore foundation. I don't really wear foundations a lot, but for this look, we're gonna use it. And I'm just gonna apply that with my beauty blender. Gonna spray a little bit of my Smashbox primer water and then blend it some more with my beauty blender. This to me helps the foundation soak into the skin so it's not just laying on top. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal. Okay, my camera just died, so sorry if the angle is different. But next I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix pressed powder to set my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer to bronze and contour. And I'm just using an angled brush for this. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal True Match blush and just apply this to the apples of my cheeks and work my way up my cheekbone. And I'm just gonna blend it using my powder brush. Next, for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. And I'm just using a Morphe M501 brush. Back to the eyes, I'm picking up a small little flat shader brush, and I'm gonna pick up the color Tryst and Wild Thing and put that on my lower lash line. Alright, so I just curled my lashes and put on some mascara, and I'm gonna pop on some of these false lashes from Tarte. These are the little black dress style, so I'm gonna put these on off camera and I'll be right back for the finishing touches. Okay, lashes are on, so I just applied them, and then I tight lined my upper waterline with a black pencil liner to help blend the lashes together, and then also applied another coat of mascara to blend the lashes together even more. So now the only thing left to do is our lips. So I'm going to use this NYX liquid lipstick. It does not have a shade on it, so my apologies, but it looks like a nice shade. Now just for a little bit of dimension, I'm gonna pop in a little bit of this NYX liquid liner. This is in the shade Ruffle Trim, and I'm just gonna pop this on the center of my lips. And the last thing there is to do is to finish it off with some setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. So we're just gonna set our face. I like to use a palette to dry my face sometimes. And this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's a fun makeup look. Any formal event, a prom, if you just feel like doing your makeup glamorous for a day. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more makeup tutorials, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you like this video, and if you aren't, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye! Do you see that glow? That highlighter be popping, girl, yes!